Tower here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be creating a game where there is going to be a human and zombies are going to attack it, and there'll be all different healths, and there'll be NPCs that help you as well. So let's just enable Adobe Flash before we do anything. Letting it load. Okay, so first of all, we don't really need this cat because we're not really making anything to do with a cat. And it's going to be 2D, so let's just create the human figure that we'll be using. So let's just put a circle around the plus. And let's make him have hands like this. Yep, and we will highlight him white, and we'll make him have black eyes. Yeah, that's good. Now we want to just make the stage background a different color. Maybe we'll make it just a bluish color. Yeah. Okay, so this is our human figure, and he's gonna be shooting all the zombies to save his life. So let's make another person or thing, and we'll make that the zombie. So let's make a circle again. Oh, not this color. We need a black there, and we'll make the inside green, and let's maybe put a brain inside him. Yeah, why not? Yeah, that's his brain, and let's put his eyes as well. 1, 2, and his hands. Yeah, that should be good. So we should also add a gun to the human figure. Let's just make it really something basic. We'll improve it later. We'll just make it like this, a cannon kind of thing. Yeah, that should be where the bullet comes out of. And we need to create a bullet as well. So we go to the plus thingy. Let's make a yellow bullet, and let's put it like this, and fill it, and we'll just hide this, and we'll hide the zombie too. So let's make it so we can move the human figure first. So first of all, when the flag is clicked, we can forever, so he forever moves, and then we'll do if, and another one, and then we go to sensing, and we put key space, key space, key space, key space, and we'll do WASD for now for moving. So WASD, and D, and now we'll go into motion, and we'll do change X by 10, change X by 10, change Y by 10, change Y by 10. So we can see these coordinates right here. So when I go put my mouse up, the Y goes up, and that should be W, that should be in positives. And when I go down, Y goes in negatives. So the S will be going down, we'll put -10. And if we go left, the X turns into negative. If we turn right, X turns into positive. So A should be turning left, that will be -10, and turning right will be +10. So if I turn it on right now, I messed up. This is in the bullets one. We'll just put it inside the human figure and we'll delete it. And we'll try now. So D A W S. So we move perfectly, but our human figure, he just seems to be pointing in one direction all the time. So let's fix that by going in events, do another flag. Let's do another forever, and you go into motion and point towards direction mouse pointer. Now if we do this, he will constantly be looking into our direction. Now you can kind of see that the human is a bit slightly not in the right position, the gun. We'll fix that later though. Okay, so let's clean this up so everything's in order. And now what we'll do is we'll make it so when you click spacebar, a bullet will be shot. So let's go when flag is clicked, forever, and we'll go into if key space is pressed, then create clone of sprite 3, and sprite 3 is the bullet. So we go into sprite 3 and we write, when I start as a clone, I point in direction to the mouse pointer and I keep moving forward forever. Actually, we will do repeat until, so it will keep moving forward until it touches the border. So touching edge. So let's test this out. If I shoot, or I think we restart. If I click spacebar, oh yes, we hid this, didn't we? So we need to go looks and show. Now let's try. There's a bullet, but you see that the bullet isn't coming from the human. It's coming to the mouse pointer. Now to fix that, we'll go into, oh yes, we did go into mouse pointer. We're supposed to point towards mouse pointer, and we need to write go towards sprite 1. That's better. Now it should be fixed, kind of. Okay, so this is in the right direction, this is in the right direction. Let's see what's wrong. So it's going to me and then it's pointing not towards the mouse pointer. Point towards mouse pointer and go to sprite 1. We should do point towards mouse pointer. Let's try now. But now it keeps following us. So how about instead of putting point towards first, we put it second. Now it will go to the sprite and then it will shoot. Yes, now that works. But the problem is that we keep shooting too much at one time. And now I shot so much that it's not shooting anymore. There we go. So to fix that, we go here and we say if space key is pressed, then wait 0.5 seconds after you create the clone. So that will delay the bullet speed every time you try to click. So it will shoot, wait, oh, that was 5 seconds, 0.5 seconds, shoot, shoot, shoot. So that's pretty good, but the bullet is a little bit too big. So let's shrink the bullet a little bit by going to shrink thing and just shrinking the bullet. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. If you want to see the next tutorial, you should click on the next link. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.